Majestic Kanchenjanga from Revolver, and it is early morning. It's 12th of November 2025 and it's from Revolver, but I'm clicking this in my mobile, that is Samsung M15 5G, so that is also very clear from here. So we can see the peak also. Definitely, I was missing my Nikon P900 because I cannot click the picture or go closer for the peak. I mean the Kanchenjunga peak, but that was okay. Whatever I have to be satisfied and I have to utilize my gadgets. This is the way. So in the next video, I am going to the zoo.